Hey, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make a group chat on Snapchat. Why would you want to know how to make a group chat on Snapchat? Well, maybe it is your first time using Snapchat and not sure how to make a group chat on Snapchat. So today I am going to show you how to make a group chat on Snapchat. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instruction. Making a group chat on Snapchat is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for iOS and Android devices. Let me show how you will make a group chat on Snapchat. First of all, open Snapchat app in your mobile phone and then click on chat icon in the left bottom. And now in this screen, click on new chat icon in the right bottom corner. Now click on new group and then add your friend by just tapping on. Also search your friend name and then add it. You can add up to 100 people in your group chat. And now click on chat with group chat. Now you can send messages or anything you want. So there you go. If you were wondering how to make a group chat on Snapchat, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.